Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to make your TikTok account private. First you'll need to open your TikTok application. Then here at the bottom you're going to click on the profile icon. So this is our account. Let's click on the three lines on the upper right corner. Then click on the settings and privacy. Here you're going to scroll down. Under visibility we are going to click on private account. Then we need to turn this feature on. As you can see, the feature is turned on. With the private account, only users that you have approved can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. So if you want to cancel it, you can cancel that. But now we have made our account private. Guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.